Hello, here's a quick video on pencil grip and how we teach name writing in nursery. The sheet below is just showing you, as it does on the plan every week, the developmental stages of pencil grip. The majority of our children are holding pencils in this sort of fashion, either what they call a digital grasp or a modified tripod grip, where the children are using the majority of their fingers either over the top of the pencil or around the front of the pencil. It's not until the age of about 4.5 to 7 that they have more of a secure grip and they find it easier to write. This is why we do an awful lot of fine motor activities in nursery. Anything that's going to use a pincer grip, whether it's threading, sorting objects, picking up little things, pouring, using different hand tools, anything that employs that pincer motion will help towards developing that secure grip. I've got my pencil just on the side here. A quick tip: if you actually leave the pencil on the table and ask the child to pick it up, as they grip it, they can flip it and their fingers will naturally fall into almost the correct place. You can see I'm left-handed, and just looking at the pictures here, I've got the pad of my thumb on the one side of the pencil, the edge of my finger on the other side, and my pointing finger, the tip of it, is just supporting it underneath. Children who tend to hold it too high up, they won't be able to get the pressure on the pencil, so it's better to hold it nearer the tip. If I just very quickly show you our style of handwriting, what we tend to do is use yellow letters. You'll have seen this in the lockdown pack within the child's name for their tracing card. We tend to use that rather than dotty letters, which are often used in books that you can order from Amazon or from WH Smith's, because if you're looking at the dots here, you can't really see where one letter finishes and the other one starts. That's because we know the shape of the letter and what it should look like, but children at this age, they don't know the actual shapes of the letters and what they should be. So rather than actually using this, so for example, they might not realise where one letter starts and the other one finishes, we actually tend to use yellow, because as you trace over it, it becomes more prominent. I'm left-handed, so I turn my paper at a slight angle. That way I can actually see what I'm writing and I can actually follow the progress through, and it's more comfortable. With some children who are right-handed, they might find it more comfortable to turn the paper slightly as well. And going back to mine, what we tend to do with our yellow letters is we always start on the red dot. So there's a dot at the top of the M just here. We put the pencil on the dot and then follow the line down. We go back onto the dot again and go down, up, down. And then I have the I, so trace that with a dot, not a scribbled football at the top. And then we start on the S, starting on the dot, all the way round and again. And there you can see that the child's writing would be more prominent than the yellow, and they have that sense of achievement then, and that satisfaction that their writing is more important than ours. Just finish off. M O R L E Y. Of course, I've just used the names of the letters. At this stage, it would generally be the phonics that we'd be thinking about. So it would be the M, O, R, L, E, Y. So there we have it. Tracing letters and pincer grip. We hope that helps. If you have any questions, do let us know. Bye.